DTF can apply to almost anything, so why limit the size of your transfers? How we doing, YouTube? Stevan here with Allmaker Print Supply, and in today's video, we're proud to introduce your latest must-have go-to for all of your oversized direct-to-film transfers, the Phoenix 1620 Curing Oven. As you can see, we still have our freight straps on here, just as you received from the manufacturer. So without further ado, we'll do a full no baloney unboxing right in front of you. Let's see what's inside. Nice and sturdy packaging. All right, let's take a look at the contents. Operations manual. This is important. Make sure we hold on to this. We'll set this aside for now. We have our included power cord, our adjustment tool, and the oven itself. Awesome. I see my handle's already attached. Now, in addition, you will also be receiving 1-year warranty manufacturer from the entire unit, lifetime technical assistance, and an instructional video for training purposes. All right, so that sounds great and all, but how does this thing actually work? Let's take a look. Not too heavy. I'm gonna carefully remove our plastic wrapping. Got my power cord here, undo this little tie. Now, as you can see, we do have some plastic coming out of the drawer portion here of the oven. So let's go ahead and make sure we get that safely removed before we bring any heat into the oven. Set this guy sideways. Okay. I think that's it in there. Let's get her powered up, powered on, and bring the heat. The power connection point is going to be over here on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead and get this guy connected, powered on. Now please know, depending on the film, ink, or printer used, these settings can vary. So as we always say, it's best to test, test, test. Let's go through these operations. To change the temperature on your Phoenix Curing Oven, you're going to begin by first pressing this button here. Then, using your down and up arrows, you can enter your desired heat, which is displayed here in Fahrenheit. We're going to recommend a starting temperature at 260 degrees. Once you've entered your desired heat, you can lock it in by pressing this button here. To change the timer on your oven in seconds, you're going to first press this button here. Then, using your down and up arrows, you can enter your desired time, displayed here in seconds. We're going to recommend a starting time of 120 seconds. After you've entered your desired time, you can lock it in by pressing this button here. Now that we've got our desired settings entered on the oven, let's go ahead and get a print, powdered and ready to show you how this awesome oven works. Now here we have our freshly printed and powdered direct-to-film transfer. My Phoenix Curing Oven is already up to temperature, and I brought out the Purifier just to keep everything nice and clean, which we'll touch on in a moment. Now hopefully after 100 seconds, I have a ready-to-apply, store, or ship transfer. Let's see how it works. Now you may have noticed this contraption here on side next to the oven. This is going to be our Air Purifier Mini. This is going to be a recommended add-on for the 1620 Phoenix Curing Oven, and a recommended add-on, I'd say, for pretty much any DTF curing oven. Now, this is going to be great because it does have an adjustable hose here to adjust to various size operations and workspaces, and it has an included filter. Now, it's worth mentioning, for the everyday direct-to-film printer, we do advise changing that filter out approximately every 3 months just for best performance. This can provide up to 99.97 air purification, which is great for the environment, and also why I have no steam or vapor around my direct-to-film work area. You do always want to exercise caution removing hot contents from your oven. You can see the steam vapor right there. Let's carefully remove this. Hopefully camera can pick this up But here we have a nice semi-gloss, almost sort of orange peel texture, which are the telltale signs of a fully cured and ready to apply, ship, or store direct to film transfer. Pretty straightforward unboxing, am I right? As you can see, in less than 10 minutes, we went from in the box to desktop print shop. If you're looking to elevate your direct-to-film printing business, no matter what size operation you are, this is a great way to increase your efficiency and productivity. For more information on this awesome oven and how it can benefit you and your business, be sure to hit the links in the description below. And if you have any questions, we got a comment section for that also. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Esteban. We're All American Print Supply. We'll see you in the next one.